The PIP Award for Residential Interior goes to Palette Pro Painting and Renovation. Palette Pro Painting and Renovation's exceptional reputation and quality was the primary factor in securing them this new client. This home was built in 2008 and had previously only been painted once. The condition of the home called for prep work including caulking all seams on woodwork and filling cracks. The client's main concern for the job was the time frame of the work being done. The family was moving into the home soon and needed to be settled in before the school year started. The project was completed on time and on budget, leaving the client very pleased with the end results. This project required a high level of skill due to the amount of wallpaper installation, lacquer spray application, and fine paints application. All selections of wallpaper had a great deal of detailed patterns and delicate weaves that had to be carefully preserved. The client was left beyond pleased with the results because of Palette Pro's high quality work and exceptional attention to detail. Congratulations to Palette Pro Painting and Renovation. Your work has earned you the 2018 PDCA PIP Award for Residential Interior.